The world is filled with great love affairs. Here we have a man, when faced with the choice between the presence of God and staying with his wife. So here's to the beginning of one of history's great love affairs.
Wouldn't you like for it to stay this good forever? Hand in hand, let's enjoy this time together. Nobody knows except for you and me. These feelings inside are smiling so free. 'Cause it's a lovely, it's a lovely, it's a lovely day. Just to love you, just to love you, to love you this way. It's a love, 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 lovely day. It's a love, 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 lovely day. We've got this moment and it's only ours to keep. We can gaze at the mountains or build a castle by the sea. We could do anything, we could go anywhere. A perfect day like this is like a treasure so rare. 'Cause it's a lovely, it's a lovely, it's a lovely day. Just to love you, just to love you, to love you this way. It's a love, 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 lovely day. It's a love, 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 lovely day. Don't go away. Don't go away. 'Cause it's a lovely, it's a lovely, it's a lovely day. Just to love you, just to love you, to love